Another vlog lessons we have one for our daily works. We're now at Leviticus chapter 5 in verse 4 to verse 6. You are guilty the moment you realize that you made a hasty promise. Hasty promise to do something good or bad. As soon as you discover that you have committed any of these sins, you must confess what you have done. Then, you must bring a female sheep or goat to me as the price for your sin. A priest will sacrifice the animal, and you will be forgiven. So this passage is about making unnecessary promises or vows, especially if you don't have the capacity to fulfill those vows or those promises. Meaning, it can even lead you to pride. Okay? Maybe those vows or those promises may lead to arrogance, and God is against such a thing. So, say no to some, or should we say all, senseless vows or senseless promises. Because those vows or those promises might lead you to commit sin. So, God is against such a thing. Okay? Okay.